In this video, I am going to teach you how to use Microsoft Planner. So first things first, you can just go over and then sign in to the Microsoft Planner by going to planner.cloud.microsoft. Or if you have the Planner installed onto your actual Windows or computer, you can head over and open it. So this is what the Planner looks like. So in order to navigate or use it, you can just click onto this Add New Task option and then enter in here the task that you want. So for example, let's input right here a task, create a presentation. Now in here, you can just click on open right here or this enter and then just wait for a few seconds and then the task shall be added. Also input right here the plan that you want selected for this. So for example, let's input right here construction plan. Input right here the due date. You can also click on this calendar icon and input right here the due date for that, as well as a priority for this. Let's make it important and just put in here this progress. And you can also input right here a quick look for that. So once you're done with this, it should be able to be added from this example. Just click onto this icon right here and click on enter in order to particularly use it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.